Study of BAMS in Nepal. Bachelors of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery (BAMS) is an undergraduate degree program that is designed to make students familiar with the concepts of Ayurveda and use it for the treatment of patients. BAMS incorporates Ayurveda with the concepts of modern medicines, and students are taught a combination of both as a part of course curriculum. Eligibility criteria for BAMS. Aspirants should clear class 12 in science stream with PCB, physics, chemistry and biology subjects or equivalent to this. Candidates who fulfill the above criteria have to appear for the Common Entrance Examination CEE conducted by the Medical Commission Nepal and be qualified. Course curriculum for BAMS. BAMS is a 5.5-year long bachelor degree course. The course duration includes 4.5 years of academic session and 1 year of internship. The 4.5 year of academic session is divided into 3 professional courses of 1.5 years each. Medical institutes offering the courses: Ayurveda Campus, Kirtipur, Associated College of Institute of Medicine, Tribhuvan University. Nepal Ayurveda Medical College, Birganj, Affiliated College of Tribhuvan University. Kendriya Ayurveda Vidyapith Dang, Associated College of Nepal, Sanskrit University. Patanjali Ayurveda Medical College, Dulikhel, Affiliated College of Nepal, Sanskrit University. And Mithila Ayurveda College, Janakpur, Affiliated College of Nepal, Sanskrit University. Chikitsa Seva Ayog has declared 80 seats of BAMS for the year 2078, 40 of which for Ayurveda Campus, Kirtipur and remaining 40 for Kendriya Ayurveda Vidyapith Dang. Scope of Ayurveda. Medical officer, advisor on maintaining dynamic equilibrium of body, preventing disease and disease control, provide medical support, discover inconsistencies and investigate problems. Physician, before a student starts with their own clinical practice, it is always advised to work under some senior practitioners to gain relevant experience. Along with regular practice under a practitioner, a student can also opt for a specialized practice after gaining complete knowledge. Lecturer profession. If a student wishes to build his or her career in the field of teaching, it becomes necessary to complete post-graduation. For post-graduation, students can choose to pursue either MD or postgraduate diplomas in any subject of their choice. Once students have their post-graduation degree, they can join any government-based or private college as a lecturer. Manager. Students who wish to enter into the field of management can pursue courses such as Masters in Public Health (MPH), Masters in Health Administration (MHA), and MBA in Hospital and Healthcare Management. Such courses are in great demand and offer promising employment opportunities for students. Clinical Research Associate. These days, many universities are coming up with different postgraduate courses in clinical research. Students can pursue such courses to secure a job as a clinical research associate in the research units of different pharmaceutical companies. Drug manufacturer. Manufacturing of Ayurvedic medicine and related products such as cosmetics is a booming business these days. To make a career in the field, students can choose to pursue courses such as MSc in Pharmaceutical Medicine and Diploma in Herbal Medicinal Manufacturing after the completion of PMS course. Health supervisor, therapist. These days, many international tourists look towards taking nature-based Ayurvedic treatments in health resorts and spa centers. Tourists usually prefer natural therapies for problems like arthritis, obesity, migraine, premature aging, skin diseases, diabetes, stress, anxiety disorder, and many other lifestyle based disorders. PMS student can opt to work as supervisor in such health center of various hotels and resorts. Students can also open their own health center. Thank you.